Hi, everybody. This is Mike. In this tutorial, I'm going to go over Google Sites and how to build a web page. It'll just be a quick tutorial because there's a lot of stuff online, but the basics are you have to be in and logged in your at longbeachschools.net account. And then when you are, you come over here to the waffle, these 9 dots in the upper right-hand corner, click it, and then come down here to the sites logo and then click on that. And that'll take you to the site builder. Okay. And basically, this already starts in new sites. So the old site builder, if you've ever used it, is still open. It's heavily HTML based, less modular based. So I would just suggest using this. You can use any of these templates across the top. Usually I just start blank. So you click the plus, and then it takes you to the site builder. And then everything that you need is right here or over here on the right. So you can just start editing. So you can go test page, and then if you want to add content, you just come over here, and then you can build any of this stuff into your site. YouTube videos, placeholders, social links, spacers, dividers, basically everything you would want to make it look pretty. So you can start here with the text box, and you can put your department name or your club name or whatever. And then you can always change it to like a heading and then change the font, right? And then the size here, and then the orientation, and then put your department there. Go like that, go bold. And then, so whatever you want to do in terms of how you name it. And then if you want to go ahead and put pictures in, you can, or you can even change the layout. So these are layout options that are over here on the right. So if I change it to this, it'll give you a nice little like layout. And then you just put the plus, and then you can just pick anything to go in there. It's really a really intuitive system in terms of how to add items to a page, right? So you can just like select an image, and then you can use this to put whatever you want in there. I want to do that, save place to learn, and then here can just go put a YouTube video in. So if you've made any videos or whatever, you can put those in. And then, then the next section comes, you can even choose like another layout below that. So these are these content blocks where it says right here, that's the layouts you can do. And then, you can just play around with putting any number of these things in here. Docs, sheets, you can write stuff up. You can add things in from your drive. So that's how you do that. And then up here, you're going to put the name of your site. This is like the public facing name um, of, people will be able to see this once you publish it. In other words, that's what will come up in a Google search when people search for it. Okay. There's themes that you can choose from over here. So this is like kind of the, how you can manipulate what your website looks like. So this is the insert option on this particular page. But then if you want to create more pages, you can just come up here to page, and then right here, down here, okay, it says new page. You can add a new page in, and then you can go like just test page like that. I'll go done. And then if you wanted to take this and make it a sub of the home page, you can do that. And then it'll be, you can navigate as a sub page of your home page, or you can make it its own page. And we'll just drag it over here. Let's see. Add sub page. So it should come over here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so you just have to keep playing around with it and then drag it. So basically all this means is that if I go here to the preview, right, the preview up across the top will say home and test page. If I put it as a sub page for home, this is what it would look like. I'll just go back. Oop, this. And if I put it as a sub of the home page like that, then when I go to the preview, it'll be a drop down list under home. So that's kind of how the pages work, and you can add as many as you like, and you can make it as varied as you want. So I'll put the test page back over here, and then I can just keep adding pages. Um, I can do embeds. So if you want to link to other things, or if you want to put in like Google Slides and embed stuff, like that, you can do it. Um, and you can reorder these pages however you'd like. Um, let's see. And then across the top here, you have the undo button, the redo button. That's the preview button. And then when you're ready to publish, you just click this publish button, and it'll take you. Um, so it says publish your website. So it'll be a header of the Google Sites, longbeachschools.net, and then your department, and then whatever you're going to name your page after that. Okay. And then you push publish. And then that's what so if it's like English department, that would come after that navigation. You can add collaborators, right? So you can share editing duties with anybody else. And then you have the editing features here, and you can do little logos. So logos would be like up here in the left hand corner. And then across the top, you have all these little logos that are associated with each page. Like you can see the Jordan High School tab, the Canvas tab, the Synergy tab have these little logos. You can add things like that. And then here, you can go through version history and undo and go back. It's pretty, it's a typical Google product. It's really, really easy to use, kind of uncomplicated. But that is how you go about editing a Google site page. And then once you do that, if you want to build a page like that and just give me the link to it, you would just click here, and the link will only be active once you publish it. And so once the link's active, you give it to me, and then I can put it on Final Site, which is our new website platform, and then I can redirect it to your Google page. Okay, so that's how to build a Google site page. If you have any questions, let me know.